Now, in the unlikely event that you have leftover mashed potatoes, here's what you should do. You should make gnocchi. Now, I have some leftover mashed potatoes. I added an egg to it, and now I'll add a little bit of flour. And unfortunately, I can't give you exact measurements because this is a recipe that works by feel. And just keep adding flour until you come up with a smooth dough. Now, I lightly floured my board, and I'll take probably about a half a cup of the dough, and then on that board, I'll roll it out and push outward with my hands until I make a dowel that's about an inch thick. And I'll take a table knife and I'll cut it into 1-inch sections. And then take the back of a fork and roll the gnocchi along the back of the edge of the fork. That'll hold the sauce. Now I'm dropping the gnocchi into boiling salted water, and they'll sink to the bottom, but as soon as they rise to the top, let them cook for about another minute, and then they're done. Now I've made a brown butter and garlic sauce for my gnocchi. You can use actually any sauce you like, because red sauces also look beautiful on that. And now I'm going to show you a variation that's popular in Hungarian and Eastern European cuisine. I've got the gnocchi. I'm going to roll them in some breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs, and then I'll saute them in butter. These are called shlichkas. Both these recipes are yours for the asking. Just write to me here at the station or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.